나도 유튜브에서 본것 같은데.
The spring wind blows through the open window, gently touching the white linen on my shoulders. A glass of iced coffee in my quiet hand, where sweet memories begin to drift again. The heavy rain has stopped, the muddy road is dry, and a peaceful rainbow is stretching through the sky. Oh, I see your smile, the golden sunshine, like a beautiful story that time left behind. No more heavy sighs, just a peaceful mind. In this gentle afternoon, our love we find. The water droplets melt so softly away, just like the hardships of yesterday. A faded photograph on the wooden desk, whispering that we did our very best. Oh, I see your smile, in the golden sunshine, like a beautiful story that time left behind. No more heavy sighs, just a peaceful mind. In this gentle afternoon, our love we find. Everything is fine under the amber sky. Everything's clear as the wind goes by. Walking down the path where the golden ripples shine, looking at the water like a glass of vintage wine. Every little wave is singing songs of yesterday, washing all the heavy dust and worries far away. The wind is whispering secrets that I used to know, underneath the green trees where the wildflowers grow. Oh, listen to the song of ripples
여기서만 있어도
on the
된다요.
quiet lake, cherishing the beautiful promises we used to make. No more heavy sighs, just a peaceful state of mind. In this lovely afternoon, our happy days we find.
지금 몸도 안 좋은데 1년만 해가지고 80만 원 니도 한 1년.
Time is flowing gently like the river gifts for you and for me. And wisdom in your eyes is keeping my spirit high. We are walking side by side under the friendly sky. Oh, listen to the song of ripples on the quiet lake, cherishing the beautiful promises we used to make. No more heavy sighs, just a peaceful state of mind in this lovely afternoon.
물을 제가
Our happy days we find.